Hi everyone. Today we are going to install an Android stereo in my Volkswagen Vento. Basically my stock stereo in my Vento which is decent, but I need something more modern with Android features, YouTube, Google Maps and everything else right on my dashboard. So that I am installing an Android stereo which is Tesha brand that I have purchased from Amazon. It has 32 GB internal storage, 4 GB RAM, DSP for better sound control and output, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and powered by TS9 processor. So let us get into it. In order to install the new Android stereo, we need to remove the trim around the stock stereo, and let us unscrew the stock stereo using a screwdriver. Then carefully slide it out. Disconnect the old wiring harness carefully. This was my stock stereo, which is RCD 310. So before we fix the stereo into the dashboard, let us quickly go through the connectors and wires. Here we have two ports for USB connection. This yellow wire is for the reverse camera input. This black wire is to connect the mic. Then carefully connect main power and speaker harness, GPS antenna, two USB ports, reverse camera, audio output, FM antenna port, CANBUS unit. Place the GPS antenna on the dashboard for better coverage and place the microphone on a pillar for better voice clarity during calls. For Volkswagen cars like my Vento, we need to install a CANBUS unit. It is not included in the post, so you will need to buy it separately.
Reverse camera.
This is the radio antenna port. Now connect the microphone to the mic port. Connect the external GPS antenna, which is screw type. Next, connect the cables to the USB port on the back of the stereo. These can be routed to the glove box or center console for easy access. This yellow wire is for the reverse camera. Just plug it. Now let us connect the main power and speaker harness which powers the stereo. It is just plug and play with Volkswagen adapter. Okay, now let us check the stereo.
It's working fine.
Everything is working fine. And this is the Z-Link app which connects Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly.